Like how White's letter is just F F F F F F F. Oh wait, we're recording? Don't. That's embarrassing. All right, so hey, what's going on, everybody? This is welcome back to Ponytown, and today we are playing as my favorite pony tuber, Lightning Bliss. I did my best. I mean the main I kind of messed up on, and I can't get the goggles to work. So let's see how many people can recognize me. And last time I did this, 5 people recognized me, and only 2 thought I was actually the real Lightning Bliss, which I'm not. I'm not. And if they ask, I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not gonna say like yeah, because then I already know what's gonna happen. I've seen movies and seen episodes. I'm not gonna do that. So let us play on the safe server once again. Okay, I'm not gonna do so much flying this time because Alright, so again, guys, I'm gonna look for apples, but also I'm going to. Oh my god, there's so many Undertale fans. Please, usually I'm all good with Undertale fans, but this is a excessive amount. Does anyone know who I am? Anyone? Anyone? Hello? What? I'm gonna type that in chat. Does any, I'm gonna say any pony know who I am? Because I'm curious. I'm just curious. I'm just gonna walk around and so they can see, so they can all see. So let's see. Let's see who knows me. No one? No one? Well, I'm not gonna try. Anyway, so I think I did a pretty good job. It's like remotely close to Lightning Bliss. If I saw this, then I would definitely know that is a fan of Lightning Bliss, which I am a fan of Lightning Bliss. Lightning Bliss is best YouTuber. All right, so let's see here. I'm gonna go down. Oh, once again, I thought that guy was sleeping in a tree. Gosh, stupid transparent trees. All right, let's see. Is that Bowser? Oh my god. No, it's Bowser Jr. It's fine, guys. I don't Mario. I don't. Okay, so here is the plan, guys. I find a large group, and then I just ask, does anybody know who I am? Does anybody know who I am? Anyone? 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 Oh, I think they only speak Spanish. Oh, I mean, I can speak a little. I can speak a little Spanish. I'm taking a Spanish class at school, but I don't think I can read Spanish still, like me. I'm gonna find like no one with Rainbow Dash my version. Wow, that's actually a really good version of Rainbow Dash. You know what? It's actually really good. Apple, apple. I found apple, apple, my apple. Hey, that kind of looks like lapis lazuli. I I want to die. Oh, but don't worry, this is a kid's show. Guys, look at my apple. Look at my apple. What? Boop, 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 boop. No. No. Okay. I'm just gonna. Bye. Oh my god. What the hell is that? I should stop moving so I can read your name. Zalgo. I don't know what that is. Might be a reference to something. I'm guessing Five Nights at Freddy's. Or some kind of Deltarune thing. Oh wait, this is the guy I saw last video. He's still here. Wow. All right. So this, what the, is that Doctor? Oh, that looks like the Doctor Pony. Is that a snow pony? No, that's just a derpy pony. But also, there's some Undertale roleplay people. Oh, awesome. Undertale roleplay. How is that supposed to work? If we're on a server that you can, actually see what the roleplay. You know what? They roleplay differently. I don't want to judge. I don't want to judge them. That's why I need low quality mode. Well, I don't like low quality. Also, guys, I'm probably sure you don't like low quality, so I'm doing it for you guys. I don't know why. I'm not sure what low quality mode does. Who cares? I have Apple. Alright, so this is the flood group. Alright. Does any, I'm gonna say anyone so it doesn't look like I'm spamming. Alright, anyone know who, does anyone know who I am? Anyone? Anyone, look, take a long look at me. Anyone? Just anyone? Please, someone recognize me. Oh god, the video is gonna be like 2 seconds. Wait, not Arasu Ponytown. Like there's something Ponytown. I don't know. Ponytown. I don't know. No one knows. No one knows who I am. And what is that? Creepy pony. Yeah, you are certainly creepy. I'm gonna go. Bye. A dog? Duck? Oh no. Oh wait. Never mind. I was thinking of. Wait. Yeah, that is duck season. If you guys don't know what duck season is, it's a game. It's kind of like. Do you know the game Duck Hunt? If you do, then it's kind of like that, but you have the ability to shoot the dog, and if you shoot the dog, then pretty scary stuff happens. It's a horror game, so I don't look it up. Oh, yep, he's even out there. Oh god, duck season. Oh, hold on, I'm gonna say it's lab rabbit season. Rabbit season. Rabbit season. Because duck season. It's no. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! It's rabbits. No. Aaron's kind of. Okay, that's the farewell script, right? Does anyone know? I keep spelling who with an H. Who? Damn! Just please, someone recognize me! Anyone? Oh wait, Mike. I wonder if that's Mikey. Probably not. He does happy child noises. Hell, rabbit season. No. I like how the guy. Wait, hold on. There are two Mikes. There's Mike with the heart and Mike with the star. Oh God. When's it change? Like Wait, hold on. Mika. Mika. Your name is Mika. Anyway. Oh, I'm so sorry that you said. Anyway, so no one knows who I am. It's so obvious. I'm Lightning Bliss. I'm Lightning Bliss. How do people not? Oh god, this thing is back. Zalgo. I heard that name before. I just don't remember which. I want that to be my OC. Wait, come back. Fran. Oh my god, Fran is still here. Fran was here ever since I logged on this morning, and it's 5:58 right now. It's literally almost 6 o'clock. Right. I don't want that apple. I want apple. No. Only the green ones are apples. The red ones are apples, and the green ones are apples. Oh my god, the Discord. I like the Discord one. The Discord one is cute. Hold on. Discord, out on the moon, sleep in the middle of a summer afternoon. Discord, whatever do to make a take wood away. Sorry, just had to. Well, I was singing Lady Gaga. So I was singing Discord. I was singing Discord. Discord, I'm American music in the middle of summer afternoon. Discord, whatever you eat. Boosh. Boosh. Snaz. Wait, hold on. That's my OC. I made this. Made what? What? The thing doesn't. Hello, child. Victory Twilight. Wait, what? Are they making an AU of Undertale? Wait, it's Megalo Rare. It's Santa Rare. Oh, I'm pretty sure there's more. Wait, hold on. Shouldn't Fluttershy be Twilight? I mean, that sounded like a ship. Shouldn't Fluttershy be Toriel? It'll make the most sense unless they're doing their own AU, not actually doing copying of Ponytail. By the way, it's an apple, not an apple. In my mouth is an apple. You gotta say it with the voice too. I know, Hassan, if you're watching this, I know you're I'm expecting you to hold on, let me just if you want to I don't know, if you want to good game, I don't know. No one recognizes who I am. No one recognizes. You know what? This is a large group. Yes, Annie. Does Annie know who I am? Does anybody know who I am? Please, I am not shutting off this video until someone knows who I am. No one. All right. Lightning. Oh my God! People were just circling around me. Wait. You know what? I'm gonna say, does anyone wanna know who I am? Does anyone want to know who I am? Because apparently no one is recognizing me. What? Yeah, me too. What? Me too. We got Gabriel. We got Alex the Wolf. What? Alexa the Wolf. I'm sorry. I recognize. Except the PewDiePie. Oh, get it away from me! No, Yum is better. Yum is better. Where are you? You know what? No, I'm not close enough. Yub is better. Yub is better. Yub is best. Yub is better. You and you. Yub is better. Actually, no. Lightning Bliss is better. Lightning Bliss is best. Fight me. Oh my God. Oh my God. We got Doctor. Wait, hold on. Where'd he go? He just suddenly teleported. My birthday is today. It's today, IRL. Why should I care? Why gotta be so mean? God, dash. You have an apple. No, how dare you? You don't even have. You betrayer. You don't have apple. You have apple. Anyway, so as I was saying, Hassan, and if you're watching this, expect me to say apple. Rainbow Dash. Oh my God, it's Rainbow Dash. He's actually. Wait, hold on. Wait, guys, I can see through other people's perspective, and I'm literally seeing Rainbow Dash playing this. I'm not even joking. There's literally a pony. The pony Rainbow Dash. Oh my God. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. No one recognizes who I am. I know I said I'm not going to end the video until someone knows who I am. I can't fly out with the pumpkin for some reason. All right. So, you know what? One more shot. Does anyone know who I am? Guys, this is so creepy. Guys, this is so. Alright, guys, this is so creepy. Alright, guys, this is so. Okay, cute. Wait, can you look? Are you talking about me? Because. Wow, this is fun. It is fun. Yeah, funny sounds actually really fun. For just a game, I really don't. Anyway, so like this is actually really creepy. Like, what? The only thing that matters is I have apple. All right, guys. So I am just going to go to sleep. Is that okay? Night, guys. All right, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure to smash the like button if you did, and I'll catch you see you next time. Woo!